If you are buying a home in Kentucky and planning to sell your current home after closing, you need to understand mortgage recasting before you choose the loan program. A recast can lower your monthly payment without refinancing, but here's the catch. FHA, VA, and USDA loans generally do not allow a standard voluntary recast. Conventional loans often can.
In this video, we explore mortgage recasting in Kentucky, focusing on the differences between conventional, FHA, VA, and USDA loans. Discover how you can lower your monthly mortgage payments without needing a new loan or credit check. The bottom line is that a mortgage recast is generally a strategy exclusively available for conventional loans. So what is a mortgage recast? It's a two-step process. First, you make a lump sum payment toward your mortgage principal, and second, the servicer recalculates your monthly payment based on the new balance. It is important to understand what stays the same during a recast. Your interest rate does not change, and your loan's maturity date remains exactly the same. What does change in a recast? Your principal and interest payment goes down. When it comes to eligibility, loans backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are generally the ones that allow for a mortgage recast. Conversely, FHA, VA, USDA, and GNMA-backed loans generally do not allow for a mortgage recast. For jumbo and portfolio loans, availability is handled on a case-by-case basis. Always ensure you get confirmation of eligibility in writing. To qualify for a conventional recast, your loan must be current. No late payments are allowed. The loan must be in good standing. There is also a seasoning requirement. Most servicers require your loan to be at least 90 days old before you are eligible to request a recast. You must formally request a recast. This request must be submitted in writing directly to your loan servicer. Keep in mind that fees for this service vary. Always confirm the exact recast fee with your servicer before you decide to move forward. If you are looking at a scenario here in Kentucky, step 1 is to purchase your next home using a conventional loan. Step 2 is to sell your current home. Typically, this process occurs 2 to 4 months after your purchase. Finally, step 3 is to take the proceeds from the sale of your home and apply them as a lump sum principal reduction to your new loan. For step 4 of your Kentucky scenario, simply ask your loan servicer to perform the recast. You will keep your current interest rate and loan term, but benefit from a lower monthly payment. Let's look at an example. Before the recast, you might have a $400,000 balance on a 30-year loan at a 6.50% interest rate, resulting in a monthly principal and interest payment of approximately $2,528. After you perform a $100,000 principal reduction, your new monthly payment would drop significantly, landing somewhere between $1,895 and $1,900 per month. This results in estimated monthly savings of between $625 to $635 every single month following the recast. Ultimately, a recast makes the most sense when you have extra cash on hand and want to lower your monthly payment without giving up your existing, potentially favorable interest rate. When considering if recasting is right for your financial situation, compare the benefits of a lower monthly payment versus using that lump sum for other investments. Remember that while a recast lowers your payment, it does not shorten your loan term or lower your interest rate. If your goal is to pay off your home faster, you might consider making additional principal payments instead of recasting. Always consult with a financial advisor or your lender to see how these options align with your long-term goals. Documentation is key. Keep copies of your request, any correspondence, and the confirmation from your servicer regarding the recast approval. Be aware that after the recast is completed, you should receive a new amortization schedule reflecting your reduced monthly payment. Ensure you verify that your escrow account, if applicable, is adjusted correctly following the change in your loan balance. Recasting can be a powerful tool for homeowners in Kentucky looking to improve their monthly cash flow without the hassle of a refinance. Before you take action, check your specific loan documents for any clauses that might restrict or prohibit a recast. Thank you for watching. We hope this information helps you understand the basics of mortgage recasting in Kentucky.
Call or text 502-905-3708 with your mortgage recast questions for Kentucky mortgage loans.